I've gone ahead and created this simple cube primitive object, converted it into polygonal, and attached an XPresso tag. Now let's say if I want something on my scene to be happening only within the particular time frame. We can use the compare node for this kind of situations. Let's right-click on the canvas and get the compare node by going into new node XPresso logic compare. As we also want to work with timeline, this might also be a good idea to introduce the time node. I'm gonna delete the time output and I'm gonna add the frame output instead of it, because in this case it would be easier to work on a frame level. Let's go into compare nodes options and switch to the node tab. This is where we can choose the most suitable data type for our task, as well as the function. For this node, I'm gonna set the function to greater than, and under parameter tab, I'm gonna set the value to compare with. It's gonna be 15 frames, and it's also gonna be the lower limit of the time frame I want. Let's quickly duplicate the compare node, going into node tab, and set the function to less than. Let's also change the second value from 15 to 50, so the higher limit of my time frame is gonna be set to 50 frames. And now I need something to unite these two conditional nodes together. This time it's gonna be the bool node, and under the node tab I'm gonna stay with the logical AND function. Let's briefly connect all of these nodes to each other, and finally bring the cube object onto the canvas. I'm gonna enable the use color input port, which is also operated by Boolean values. Let's connect the last nodes together and press the play button on the timeline. We can see the cube is starting to be colored only within the particular time frame, which was just set by us manually with the help of compare nodes. So that's the compare node. And if you really like these XPresso tutorials, you can find the whole course devoted to XPresso available on the App Store. Just type in XPresso or follow the link below.